Today we are going to have a go at making our very own crocodiles. So it's not as hard or as difficult as you might think, and all that we're going to need is half of an egg holder. What do we call them? Egg boxes, cardboard ones. We're going to need one cardboard egg box, one little strip of cardboard, so you could use cereal box or an old cardboard you've got left at home. Paint, if you've got some. If not, it'd be a little bit of a longer task, but pens will do absolutely fine. We need some scissors, some glue, and maybe a pencil, and that's about it. So let's get started. First step that you need, get your egg box and rip off the other side, so you're just left with just this piece. Once you've got that, what you're then going to do, you see all these spikes at the top? These spikes at the top? You're going to get your pair of scissors, and we're just going to snip off the tops of these. Going to snip them off one by one. Don't throw these away, because we're going to use these later, as you can see, for our teeth. So don't throw them away just yet. So chop off all them tops. It depends on how big your egg box is. I've got 4. How many have you got, Melody? 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 5. You got 5? That's a random number. Okay, so you can have 5 egg. So I've got my 5 teeth here that we're going to keep those 4. So it should look something like that. Okay then guys, fantastic. So far we've got our egg boxes that we've cut out the middles for, and we've kept our tops for our teeth a little bit later. So the next step, we're going to have a go at making our crocodile's mouth. So we need to do a half, we're going to make a bit like a puzzle, a really large oval shape that we're going to cut in half. So we've got a shape here for the top, and we've got half of the oval for the bottom. Okay, so what we're going to use is we're going to use our cardboard, Melody. And we're going to make a really big, so make it look like a puddle, like a flat puddle. Yeah, so if you want to do that, and I'll get mine as well. Big enough to be able to go round our head. So see, I've made our oval in there. So we're going to cut that out in just a moment. And then we're going to stick that on top of our eggs. Fantastic guys, so we've been able to cut out, like we did in my cardboard, an oval shape just like that. All we did is we folded it in half, folded it in half, and then all we did is, so this is our oval shape, we fold it in half, and then we cut across the top. So we're left with 2 half shapes, just like that. So the next step that we're going to do is we're going to get our egg box yet again, and we're going to get the glue. So grab the glue there, Melody. And you're going to put a piece of glue just over the top strip, half of your half circle. So put a strip along there. Yeah. Yep, just down there. Perfect. So as you can see, Melody's done 1 strip of glue just across the top, and you're going to do the same with the other one. Put quite a bit on there because we need to get it to really stick. So just glue the top half of your circle. Excellent. So once you've got your strips now, you're going to get your egg box, and you're going to get the part that's glued at the top, and you're going to attach this now to the end of your egg box, just like that. So you're going to hold it in place. So you're nice and stuck. And then you're going to put the other one, and then you're going to put that one underneath as well. Excellent guys, so far we should have attached our crocodile mouth with our bottom and our top of our mouth. The next bit that we're going to do now is we're going to have a go at trying to do the tail. So all that you're going to do, you're going to make it like a snake kind of feel, so you can make it wiggly or you can make it just long. It's entirely up to you. So again, use your cardboard that you've got left over and draw out a shape that looks like a snake, like that. Yeah? Okay, so have a go with that one. And then cut it out, and then we're going to stick it to the back of the other end of our egg box. Excellent guys, so now we should have had our head and our tail attached. Now me and Melody had a bit of problems with attaching just with glue, so we ended up using a stapler. So you can use staples, You can use sellotape, glue, whichever works best for you. Staples will work quite good for us, so we will stick with staples. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to start creating our eyes for our alligator. Now, eyes are really, really easy to make. Again, get your little piece of cardboard, and all you draw is you just draw a really big M, the letter M. Do a big M, and then do it at the base of your card. So I'll show you. M like that. And all you're going to do is you're going to cut around this. And at the bottom of the P, you're going to just draw a line down the middle, and there you have your two eyeballs. And then you can just draw your pupils, and then we're going to colour around that in white once we're finished and comes to painting. So there is your eyeballs. We're just going to cut those out, and then we're going to stick those just in front of where our eyes are, just here on the second one down. So that's your next step. Our tails attached, and we've got our bodies. Now earlier you may have kept some of the tops of your, I was going to say ice cream cones then, our egg cones, and we are going to be able to do these and stick them onto the bases. Now you can either paint them first, then stick them on, or you can stick them on first. It's entirely up to you. But now's the time that you can be as creative as you want to with your crocodile. So get your paints out, get your pens out, get your pencils out, and paint away, and let's see what creations you've made with your crocodiles.